So, we got a package. Oh, let's unbox these things, I guess. Ooh. Nice. Zoom this thing. Speed stacks timers. You know those speed stack mats? Yeah, kind of reminds me of that. Let's try to put them on. It kind of fits, I guess, but not quite perfectly. So over here I got the original sheet timer. Let's see if it fits or not. And it does. It does fit. Moving on. Yes, we have the MeiLong 6M. So this is the MeiLong 6M. Stand and the MeiLong 6M. For comparison, here's the YuXin 6M up to compare it. So apparently this budget 6x6 is the smallest 6x6 ever compared to the MGC or the WRM. It's 61 millimeters, if I recall correctly. So, yeah, it's like the smallest 6x6 ever mass produced, and it's like the cheapest one ever. First turns, you know, magnets aren't that strong, but you could feel it. Gives you that nice stability. Well, I definitely have to use this more to give you proper review, but out of the box, it's really good. Although it's frosted plastic, it's really smooth. It kind of reminds me of something like the MeiLong 4M or the MeiLong 5M. The stability that you got of the MeiLong 6. Let's just do quick solve on this. I haven't practiced 3x3 now, sorry. Overall, I think this is a very good cube. And if you're like starting at 6x6, you should definitely buy this cube. But a proper review, I'll link down some proper resources for the MeiLong 6M, where other people have reviewed it also. That's all. Yes, see ya.